Okay, I'm not exactly sure where the last one left off, but I'll try to pick up. This is my folks' bedroom here. And then this room over here is, like I said, was the girls' room that the girls shared, Elaine and Beverly initially. And then Elaine moved out in a little after 1960-61, so Joyce would have been, and then Kevin would have been born by the end of 59. So when Elaine moved out, Joyce moved in with Bev, and they shared that room. And of course, as I mentioned, Kevin was born, who of course spent his first year in the crib in mom and dad's room, and then eventually moved into my room or bunk bed. So we shared this room here, and from '59 on, and then sometime after I left home in '67 or '68. Then, of course, Kevin or Carol would have been born, who was born in '64, and she would have taken over this room and been in there with them. So that's kind of the grand tour, and what I remember, I guess, the highlights. Hoping I got a lot of it on video. I know it stopped here, so I'm not sure what happened with that, but I just have to take a look at it today and see what we got. So there you have it. This is the Wilson home that 6 kids and mom and dad all grew up in from 1952 on through now. As of last Saturday, my mom moved out, and this will move on from here. So that's all I've got to say at this point.